Here is another fun Korean expression for you. 역시. 역시. We'll introduce what it means and show you many examples so that you can fully feel and understand the word. And for advanced learners, don't worry, we'll also introduce some commonly used phrases that have the word 역시 in them. And after watching this video, I hope you will say this about this lesson.
역시.
Okay, so what does it mean? You basically say 역시, 역시 when your expectations were met or when something goes in the same way you expected it to and you were not disappointed. I'll show you some examples. Try to feel the meaning of the word 역시 in each of the examples.
아, 추워. 역시. 역시 제 생각이 맞았어요. 역시 저는 여기가 제일 편해요.
뭐 찾아요?
내 핸드폰이 없어졌어. 어디 갔지?
아까 회의실에 놓고 온 거 아니에요?
아, 맞다. 고마워.
역시 그럴 줄 알았어.
Alright, so those were some examples, and I hope you were able to see for yourself how the word 역시 is used to show that you were right about something or something was exactly like how you expected it to be, and the situation just reaffirms what you were thinking, guessing, or suspecting.
역시 여기 커피는 맛이 없어.
왠지 다트 잘하실 것 같은데 한번 해보실래요?
나? 한번 해볼까?
오, 역시.
I think you get the picture here as to when and how 역시 is used. But there are two more usages of 역시 that you need to know about. One is a very formal usage where 역시 can just mean also in a formal sentence.
저 역시 그렇게 생각합니다.
And another usage is when you are reminded of the original irremovable nature of something or someone.
평소보다 따뜻하기는 해도 역시 겨울은 겨울이네.
But these meanings are less commonly used than the main usage that we were looking at earlier today in this video, which is when something meets your expectations, doesn't disappoint or surprise, and shows that you were right about something all along. Now, for intermediate and advanced learners, here are some commonly used expressions using 역시. People say these expressions a lot. So take a listen and see if you find something that you want to use in your next Korean conversation.
역시 프로는 다르네요.
혹시나 했더니 역시네요.
역시 너밖에 없어.
역시는 역시네요.
역시 잘해.
역시 톡투미인 코리안이야. 이렇게 설명을 잘하다니.
And that wraps up today's lesson, everyone. I knew you would watch till the end. 역시 이 비디오 끝까지 보실 줄 알았어요. And you're already subscribed, right? 역시 구독도 하셨군요. 그럼 다음 시간에 만나요. Bye!
역시 저 연기 잘하네요.
나도 역시 잘해.
아니에요. 누나는 역시 연습이 더 필요한 것 같아요.
역시 너는 아직 아마추어야. 보면 몰라? 내가 훨씬 잘하잖아.
역시 말이 안 통해.
너 지금 뭐라고 했냐?